Let's Talk series. My first steps. Hello, I am Dexter. I started going to speech and language therapy sessions when I was 3 years old until I was 20. I remember when I was in kindergarten. The speech therapist would get me to start talking by showing me different objects. During primary school, she would read me some short stories and ask me to repeat them. In secondary school, the therapist would take us around the city and made us practice communicating with other people. At school, together with my classmates, we need to plan a day trip, the meetup time and transportation arrangement. Every week, my therapist will design different roleplays and help me improve my communication with other people. I will share more of my experiences in the next videos.